The amplifier is the heart and soul of any sound system and the difference between distorted sounds and loud, clear bass. The wrong amplifier can cause other components to fail and higher expenses in the long run. This guide includes some of the best 4-channel car amplifiers on the market today. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Rockford Fosgate 400-watt 4-channel amplifier. To get us started, our top pick is the Rockford Fosgate 400-watt 4-channel amplifier. This amp can put out 400 watts split between the 4 channels, providing excellent and crisp sound. It's a great selection for powering multiple speakers in your stock set or new system. As a premium car amplifier, it is set at a higher price, but it is hard to beat when stacked against other models. The amp is simple to install and can be done yourself if you have a bit of audio knowledge. Best of all, its bass output allows up to 18 decibel of boost adjustment. As mentioned before, the price is quite high in comparison to many of its competitors. The amplifier is also quite heavy and bulky to fit in certain spaces, even though it may look compact. You may also want to get other higher grade components to go along with it for even better sound quality. Rockville 4-channel car amplifier stereo amp. Coming up next, we have the Rockville 4-channel car amplifier. This car amplifier stereo amp comes packed with 1200 watts and 4 ohms. It is a great budgeted car amp for those who want improved sound without breaking the bank. It also has a built-in LED indicator and both under and over voltage protections to keep it working throughout the entire drive. The 4-channel amp also features a mute and delay soft start system, so you don't have to worry about starting the car with music instantly blaring into your eardrums. It provides a significant amount of bass, produces clear sound all around, and is relatively easy to install. While it may not be a mega downside, the amp can get quite warm. It should be mounted somewhere with good airflow. It also isn't the most impressive box to look at. NTX Audio Thunder 75.4. Next up we have the NTX Audio Thunder 75.4. Much like Rockford, NTX is not the most well-known brand out of the products on our list. However, just like Rockford, this brand has also made a name for itself by producing high-quality audio systems, though often for a more reasonable price. Consequently, that is the case here, as the Thunder Series 4-channel amp captures our best all-around value slot. First, this amp pushes plenty of power with 100 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and an impressive 75 watts RMS at 4 ohms. Moreover, this amp features one of the best soundscapes with a frequency range of 15 Hz to 25 kHz, that is about 5 Hz lower than average and 5 kHz higher than average. Finally, this is only one of 2 amps on our list, the other the best performing Alpine, to feature a THD below 1%. Alpine XA70FX series. Coming up next, we have the Alpine XA70FX series. As has been established, Alpine is a high-end brand in the automotive audio market. That is why it should come as no surprise that the Alpine XA70F is the top performing amp on our list. In fact, this is actually a better amp for many of the niches that other amps take the title for. However, this is also by and far the most expensive amp on our list. First, this amp pushes 120 watts of RMS power per channel at 4 ohms impedance. This is actually the only amp on our list capable of doing so. Moreover, the soundscape of the Alpine XA70F is by far the broadest with an astounding 5 Hz to 100 kHz frequency range. No other amp on our list comes anywhere near that value. In another best, the XA70F also has the least amount of noise at 115 by 95 decibel and ties for first with the NTX with THD of 0.05%. The only real downsides are versatility. This is one of the larger amps on our list, though it is a Class D topology, so heat will not be a problem. Also, the input sensitivity is a bit narrow at 400 MV to 4 volts, which will necessitate newer head units or signal transmitters, a small price to pay for such a quality amp. Kenwood KCM3004. Our final pick is the Kenwood KCM3004. Outside of Alpine, Kenwood is the other legacy brand on our list, and have been producing top-quality automotive audio equipment for decades. In recent years the company has lost some of its lusters, but it still manages to find niches in the market that are underserved. Case in point, this is the best amp on our list for motorcycle. This is the amp on our list that has a very compact size and has switchable, adjustable crossovers. It can also do this for either a 4-channel or a 2-channel bridged configuration. Moreover, the Kenwood takes the smallest bites in a couple of places. First, this is the absolutely least expensive product on our list, while also coming in at the smallest profile.